Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily boost the speed of your CPU or processor. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So if you're also facing the 100% CPU usage problem, you found the right video, but make sure to watch the video till end so because you have to follow all the steps to make your PC or processor faster. Now first of all, you'll have to tap on that search bar on the bottom left of your screen and you'll have to type in edit power plan. After that, you'll have to click on that edit power plan option and a new window will appear in front of you. Now you'll have to tap on change advanced power settings. Click on it, and after that, uh, by default it will be selected to balanced. Okay. Now make sure that you click on it and you select high performance active, and you may find ultra high performance, and you can also select that if you have got that option. I've got high performance and I will click on high performance active, and after that you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll have to tap on processor power management, and now you'll be able to find two different states. The first one is minimum processor state and the second one is maximum processor state. And now you'll have to make sure one thing, that the minimum state is always set to 0 in both cases, and the maximum one is set to 0 100% in both cases. After doing that, all you'll have to do is to tap on apply on the bottom right corner, and your problem will be solved. Your PC PC showing 100% CPU usage will be solved. In my case, I don't have any problem with the CPU, so I am not changing the settings, and you will definitely notice the change after doing these settings. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.